Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to use Canva AI to make you a presentation with audio. So go to Canva and AI and just ask, write them, just make me a presentation about maybe climate change and how it affects us. And now we will just wait a little bit, just a few seconds. And now it should be done. Finalizing my design. So this is how it looks, perfect. Just in couple seconds it is done. Simple, fast. You can check it, you can change it. Just simple as that. So if you will be doing some projects in school, this is perfect way to use Canva AI. You can also describe more words to write, and it will be more advanced, better. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one soon. So bye.